Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to learn about line command. So line command can be taken in three ways. One, we can type the command name in the command window. Second, we can use the shortcut L enter, or we can go to ribbon menu. From there, we can go to home panel and we'll take draw panel, and from there we can use line command. Now let's see how we can use this one by one. So for taking the line command by the command window, we'll type in the command window the name of command line, enter. After taking the line command, it will ask you to specify first point. So you can click on the screen anywhere to give a point. Once a point is fixed, you can draw a line anywhere by clicking or by giving distance value. Like I'll put here 5. So you can give distances 4. Or you can randomly click enter to close the command. Next, we can type a shortcut key L, enter. We'll click on the screen, we'll give a point. Again, we can randomly click and we can draw the object, enter. Next, we can go to home panel, and there we have a draw panel. In the draw panel, we have a line command. We'll click on the line command. Again, we can click. Whatever we have to draw, we just make, or we can press escape or enter to cancel the command. I'll press escape button, like this my command will be cancelled. Next, we have more ways, options. When we're making anything, if you want to close something, we'll type L enter. And you're making anything you want to be closed, you see at the bottom, you find here close option. You can click close, or another way of closing, when you're making anything, you want to close it, you can type C, enter to close it. Now, when we draw anything continuously, sometimes some mistakes will be happen. So if you want to go number of steps back, you can go by clicking here undo, or you can type U enter, like that we can go step by step back to initial position also we can come. And then again you can start making whatever you want to make it. Now, if you observe one thing, when we draw a line, the line is not coming straight maximum time. So the chances are there line will be not coming straight. So in that case is what we can do. In that cases, we use ortho mode. So to use ortho mode, we can press F8 key as a shortcut. If this F8 key directly work in your computer, you can press it. Or if it's not working directly, in that case, you have to press Fn plus F8 button to use it. Or you have the option at bottom also, you can click there also to turn it on. So any method you remember, you click that and you can turn on the ortho mode. Now my ortho mode is on. Now if I want to make perfect horizontal vertical line, when I draw that, you see the line will be only coming horizontal and vertical. I'll specify this is 30 distance, again 30 distance and 30, and put C, enter to close it. Like this we have made a perfect square. So anything you have to make perfectly with the lines, you just give the distances, like it is 10 distance. I'll put this is 2 distance, enter. This is around 4 distance, and this is like around 10 distance, 2 distance, and something 8 distance, or we'll take something up to 10 distance, and this is 4 distance, and C, enter to close it. Like this we make a thing by specifying a fixed point and we can close the objects. So this is how we can use a line command.